This is what remains. Kesar demolished building.
ये बंद है, यहाँ से घूम के जाओ, यहाँ से चलना जल्दी, यहाँ से बंद है रास्ता।
The entire building has been demolished. It had fallen during the rains. I could not make it because of my diabetes. Though I had spoken to my guru, Nasir Bhai Norain, and spoken to him. On the top floor was Sattar Bhai, a very close friend of mine. And we were very close because he was connected to the Qadri Rafai Silsila. And I'm coming here after a long time. This is an amazing place. Assalamu alaikum. अभी ये बाजू का बिल्डिंग भी तोड़ रहे हैं क्या? ये बाजू का भी बिल्डिंग तोड़ रहे हैं?
ये अभी 12 दिन हो गया है।
नहीं बाजू वाला भी तोड़ रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ, बाजू वाला भी तोड़ रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ये बाजू का भी बिल्डिंग तोड़ रहे हैं आप? हाँ,
ये खाली एक ही है।
तो वो नहीं टूट रहा है?
नहीं।
हाँ, ये बोल रहे नहीं तोड़ रहे। ओके, दे आर ब्रेकिंग द बिल्डिंग।
रिपेयरिंग में जाएगा ये।
So this is going under repairing. This is a building next to the unfortunate building where I think
ये रिपेयरिंग में जाएगा।
कितने लोग मर गए थे? 13. What 12-15 people had died in this place, and I'm really shocked because this is the building next to the unfortunate building, and okay. I wish I'd come earlier, but the problem is I don't shoot disasters because as a photographer one should be able to help people in a mishap instead of just shooting pictures or shooting videos. I just could not do it, and because of my diabetes I did not come here. But this is the sad state of our old buildings in Mumbai. They really need somebody. And see, just behind is the Tower of Babel. And this is the lane. I just passed through it. And this is very close to the Dargah of Haji Abdul Rahman Shah Baba Qadri. Boss, just hold it. Just hold it. Okay. So this is the situation close to Dongri. I'm coming after a long time, and my guru Nasir Bhai Rafai Norain from Hisamuddin Baba's Dargah, he's my guru. I mean, he told me about this place, and there was a very good gentleman staying on the top, a very close friend of ours called Sattar Bhai. I think there has been a great loss of life and property, and I hope Allah takes care of all the people and the rest of the buildings around. See this.
ये हमारे सत्तर भाई के बेटे।
अच्छा,
शानू,
Sattar Bhai sir. I was Sattar Bhai's friend. Tell him.
हाँ,
This Sattar Bhai sir.
इसके बाप का भी भाई। शानू, ये बात करने।
आपके वालिद साहब हमारे बहुत खास थे, और क्या था कि नासिर भाई नोरेन, मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी जिस दिन ये हादसा हुआ है ना। मेरे को डायबिटीज़ है। आज कई दिनों के बाद ना मैं निकला हूँ, तो सबसे पहले दरगाह नहीं गया। मैं बोला चलो, क्योंकि सत्तर भाई के साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा रिश्ता था, बहुत मेरे को मानते थे, बहुत इज्जत देते थे। तो आपके ऊपर तो बहुत बड़ा मतलब, दिस इज सत्तर भाई सन। हिज फादर वॉज अ वेरी वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन। ही इज लॉस्ट हिज फादर। कितने लोग मरे इसमें?
13-14 जन।
चलो, आपकी फैमिली में से कितने थे?
भाई अपने डैडी और भाभी।
डैडी और भाभी। हिज फादर एंड हिज sister-in-law both died in this thing, and this is a very unfortunate thing. I wish the government had done something before. I wish people living around and all these big rich Muslims and rich Muslim institutions should do something. I mean, just cutting bakra in Bakra Eid doesn't make sense. Just giving charity to madrasas doesn't make sense. I mean, these are the people that require help. These are the people that should be shown compassion. This is what's your name?
Shanawaz.
This is Shanawaz. He's my friend's son, and I apologize. I mean, it's a very tragic thing to lose your father. I mean, it's a really, really tragic thing, and I have come late to shoot all this, but this is the way things are. Thank you. And this gentleman brought me here. I'm very grateful to him. This is Bandra Bazaar Road.
साइड में दबा और साइड में दबा इधर ही दबा इधर
साइड हो जाना, ओ भाई, तो साइड हो जाना, वो साइड हो जाना।
ओ भाई निकालो जीप निकालो
तो अंकल, वो साइड में। This is Bandra Bazaar Road.
ये भी कैसा
This is the ugliest, dirtiest, filthiest spot in Bandra, the queen of the suburbs. And I stay just 2 blocks away from this place. Our local corporators even stay here. I mean, local corporators stays around here. Our local representatives stay around here. Nothing much has changed. This is these are the municipal conservancy staff. See their state. And this is Modi ji's Swachh Bharat. They work without complaining. See the filter. ऐसा बटन मत दबा। मैं आया?
हाँ ऊपर
आया मैं?
एक मिनट
So this is Bandra Bazaar Road, the filthiest, dirtiest place in Bandra. Once you come here, you won't want to come again. And I feel sorry for people living here. Nothing has changed over here. The municipal conservancy staff, they go through hell. It's in the rains, they don't have any umbrella, they don't have any raincoat, they don't have gloves, they don't have safety shoes, and they don't have masks. So you imagine their plight. And we talk about Swachh Bharat. Modi ji talks about Swachh Bharat. Every politician talks about Swachh Bharat, that it's got outdated. I am not belonging to any political party, but I feel sorry that nothing has changed and nothing will ever change. Thank you. I'm getting used to this gimbal. This is Moza Mini Me. I don't know how to really use it, but I'm trying. I bought this about 3 months back from my friend shop, Chirag. So this is the Municipal Conservancy staff, and it is the Municipal Conservancy staff that is part of my story of garbage. I am the only photographer in Bandra or in Mumbai that shoots garbage as fine art. I shoot garbage as fine art, mind you. I also shoot garbage to show you that nothing has changed and nothing will ever change. Thank you. This is Bandra Bazaar in the mornings. This is one of the dirtiest areas of Bandra. There is no proper shops for the hawkers, and so they work on the road. And this place, because of the chicken trucks, because of the municipal dumper, becomes impossible, and there are a lot of traffic snarls. Kids get delayed for school, but there's nothing you can do about it. But this is the way it is going to always be. This is Bandra Bazaar Road. See this. The greatest problem in Bazaar Road is created by the chicken trucks. There is no proper timings. Had they come earlier, there is no problem. They come very late, and school children get delayed. I bought this. I mentioned this to our dynamic, esteemed MLA, Mr. Ashish Shelar. Mr. Raibar Khan, whose wife is a corporator, also knows about this problem. But sadly, nothing can be done about it. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road. In the morning, as I go for my morning walk, I'm using the Moza Mini Me gimbal, though I avoid using it in the rains. These are the garlic shops. And this is my friend, the banana seller. Very good guys from Bihar. So this is I'm not using the Moza Mini Genie app, which is via the Bluetooth. They normally try avoid shooting in the rains. Not much of a rain shooter. This is Bandra Bazaar Road. This is the Khoja Jamaat Khana, Aga Khani. Just see the puddles. Just see this. This is Bandra Bazaar Road. Oh, Ramesh! This is Ramesh, the paper guy. He supplies paper to everybody in Bandra. He's a very nice guy, very honest, very sincere. Do take your paper from him.
अरे पेपर में आया मेरे
हाँ
बैंडा बंद में मेरा फोटो आया है
अच्छा So this is This is Bandra Bazaar Road. All the stalls or shops that you see are on the road. These poor guys don't have any, they don't have a shop. So this place is total, there is always a traffic jam here, especially when the kids are going to school. And there's nothing you can do about it. And this is Mr. Tawheed Khan. Mr. Tawheed Khan is also known as Maulana. He's a very dear friend of mine. He sells bananas. And now the strange and sad story of the angel of Bandra Bazaar Road. Some bastard has gone and cut off her hand. So this is what remains. She belongs to this antique shop of Arafat, a friend of mine. And behind her is Cupid. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road. And as you can see, this is a one-way road. But everyone brings their scooters from here. And I wish the Mumbai police take some action. It is very necessary. Right. So everyone comes on this road, which is a one-way. You can see this here. And Mumbai police sadly has never ever taken action. So this place gets congested. Children have a big problem. I have no agenda. I am not a social activist. I do not belong to any political party, but I'm a senior citizen. I'm 69 years old. And I feel sorry. That's it. क्या बोलते हैं? This is the lime cellar. ₹20 का नींबू देना, थोड़ा ज़्यादा देना भाई. और डालना है, ये मेरे बैग में डालना. खोल दे, जिप खोल के डाल. So I bought 20 rupees lime, and this I must tell you is St. Joseph's Chapel. It is affiliated to Mount Carmel. It's a unique place. They have mass out here on Saturdays, I think. I have never been inside. And these are kids going to school. They have real problem. So this is Assalamu alaikum. These are the peaceful Boris of Bandra. Sabir bhai, my very dear friend, very dear friend. Assalamu alaikum. And this is the Shia mosque affiliated to the Khojas, Shia Khojas of Bandra. I am not much of a mosque goer. My mosque is my heart, and that's where I live. That's where God lives for me. These are my personal views. I have no issue with anybody's religion, their faith or their community. And this is De Monte Bakery, De Costa Bakery. Bandra is the humble abode of Jesus Christ. He's always there in every nook and corner. There in every nook and corner. Good morning, auntie. How are you? This is the oldest East Indian here. Mrs. Your Mrs. Gomes. Mrs. Gomes. She's a very good lady. She takes care of Jesus Christ. She's short of hearing. And this is Bandra Bazaar Road. This has been my studio for last 30 years. And this is public stores. The only problem at the store is the boss's son is so rude and crude. He has no respect for seniors. With all his education, with all his parentage, he's a shame on his Kachi, Marwadi community or whatever. I avoid this shop. He has no shame at all. And this is my friend, the pineapple wala. So the Bandra Bazaar Road, and now see all the shops on both sides. So there is always a traffic jam and you can't avoid it. Good morning. So these are the back lanes. The most interesting part of Bandra Bazaar Road are the back lanes. They are amazing. And this is my friend. He keeps reading the newspaper. He only reads the newspaper. And this young boy is a pride of Bandra. He's a very good guy. He sells vegetables. He's very dear to me. He always takes my pictures. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road. And this is a documentary that I've been doing for many years now. And it never ends. Thank you. This is Sandeep. His brand ambassador is Jesus Christ. He sells fruits. Assalamualaikum. This is and this is my friend Mustafa Bhai. His fruits are very good, fresh fruits. He's a very honest man. He's a very decent guy. Please buy your fruits from him. Mustafa Bhai is a very, very good man. So this brings me to the end of Bazaar Road from one end. Bazaar Road has many extensions. There's one extension of Jain Mandir Road, there's one extension of D. Monty Street. So, and it reaches as far as Jamaat-e Jamhuriya, Bandra Bazaar Road. But this is actual Bandra Bazaar Road. The garbage, it starts from the garbage dump. Beyond that is Bandra Reclamation. And now, as I reach the end of Bandra Bazaar Road, there are two roads. If you can see, three roads actually. On the left is Chapel Road. On the center right is Baroda Road, which I will take for my morning walk. And this road is always jam-packed. I must show you this road. This is known as St. Peter Road. This is totally jam-packed. And this is the cross. And now I go to Baroda Road. So that is St. Peter's Road, and this in front you can see is Bandra Bazaar Road. This is a rickshaw stand, always crowded around here. So I end this documentary now. Wish you all the very best. Have a nice morning. Thank you. Climbing up Cane Road. This is the toughest part of my walk. Starts from here. The Sarkar Plaza, Sarkar Heritage Avenue. That is identity at my back. been almost 4 months now. A little more. So I've been walking from Bandra Bazaar Road, Baroda Road, Bandstand, and then this Kane Road. From Kane Road, I pay my humble tribute to a mother, universal mother of Mount Mary. And then I back of me is Kane Road. And then from there I go to Good Luck Irani restaurant. I have a cup of black tea, take the newspaper, catch a rickshaw and go back home via Bandra Reclamation. My sugar level has come down considerably after taking insulin. It was 391 post-prandial. I got it down with the insulin to 134. For this I owe everything to Dr. Manoj Chugya of PD Hinduja Hospital. The last I took insulin was after I met with an accident during Kamazani, Muharram Jail in Delhi. I cut a tendon, so I had to take insulin, but then I stopped. Couple of years, last 3 or 4 years, I was being treated by Dr. Shashank Joshi, endocrinologist, diabetologist at Lilavati Hospital. But I stopped seeing him. He had no time. Neither did I take my blood sugar. When I was playing tennis for 5 years under coach Surendra Pawar, I gave up tennis. It's been 4 months now. Instead, I take up this grueling walk. But this walk has its advantages too. As I shoot, I criticize what I shoot. So this is Kane Road, and this is Kane Road. And that at the back is a place called the Retreat. The Christians come. There are a lot of things to shoot in Bandra. There's so much. All you need is an observing eye to see things that others don't see. Photography is nothing but mind over matter. How you control your mind to control matter. It takes me about 5 to 6 minutes to climb up Kane Road. And it's quite tiring. Nowadays, I eat a patties at a friend's shop because sometimes my sugar level comes down to 122. I carry some sweets with me just in case it drops further. Diabetes has become my life partner for life, forever. As soon as my level comes down, I have to go to a dentist for my tooth that broke while having paya of Pelvi Irani restaurant at Bandra Bazaar Road. I went to a doctor at Mount Mary, Ikhlaq Panvelkar. I paid him money, everything, but I don't know what happened. The tooth came out again. Then I went to Dr. Salman at Bazaar Road. He's given me a replaceable tooth, but it's a pain in the ass because it's with a wire. So now, once the levels come down, I'll go to another dentist. I've already met him and he'll give me an implant. Because I'm a senior citizen, he might do it, taking just 1/10 of the cost. So God has been great in more ways than one. So my life is now dentist, endocrinologist, diabetologist, and that's it. This is another Catholic place. I don't know what it is. Here at the back, inside. This is all at Kane Road. A lot of cyclists, a lot of runners walk up this lane. It's an amazing lane. It has a lot of character. It has a dargah close by in a lane next to cliff. It's called Jafar Baba Bastan, Rafai. And then you have the iconic Mount Mary Church, and little ahead is St. Stephen's Church, affiliated to the North India, Church of North India. So I'm just now reaching the top. That branches towards Mount Mary. Please like and subscribe to my video. All my videos are original content, and now it's raining, so I have to stop. This is Mount Mary in the Range. That is Jesus in the Range. And this is Mrs. Montero, the most beautiful lady in Mandra. She's from Goa, and I know her for the last 25 years.
Good morning.
Good morning. Doibara Sanjo. Doibara Sanjo. This is Doibara. Doibara Distu. So this is Mount Mary, where I come and shoot images, videos. I pay my tribute to this great lady of peace, hope and harmony. ये बेटे हाथ में दे दो थोड़ा सा। These are the candle shops to Mrs. Montero.